On this vast blue planet, there exists a tiny yet magnificent world, the world of insects. They are neither loud nor flamboyant, yet they form the very foundation of life, silent workers who have shaped Earth's natural balance for hundreds of millions of years. Insects, also known as bugs, belong to the group of invertebrate animals, possessing an outer skeleton made of chitin. Hard and durable like a natural suit of armor, their bodies are divided into three distinct parts: head, thorax, and abdomen, with 3 pairs of legs, a pair of antennae, and compound eyes. Intricate structures that allow them to see across an extraordinarily wide field of vision and detect movement far beyond human perception. Over 1 million species of insects have been documented, and scientists believe there may be up to 10 million more yet to be discovered. In other words, within the vast realm of animals, 9 out of every 10 species are insects, a staggering truth that continues to amaze humanity. They are everywhere, in the damp rainforests of the Amazon, across the scorching sands of the Sahara, beneath the frozen layers of the poles, and even within the smallest corners of human gardens. Only the oceans remain relatively free of them, a domain ruled instead by crustaceans. But on land, insects reign supreme, masters of survival, perfectly adapted to the harshest environments imaginable. A praying mantis can disappear among blooming petals, becoming indistinguishable from the very flower it rests on. A stick insect vanishes among the branches, blending into the landscape so perfectly that even a predator standing beside it cannot see. Their intelligence, flexibility, and ability to camouflage are living proof of evolution's remarkable power. They do not merely survive, they transform. From egg to larva, from pupa to adult, each insect undergoes a miraculous metamorphosis, a journey of transformation from fragility to perfection. A humble caterpillar sheds its delicate cocoon to become a radiant butterfly dancing in sunlight. A dragonfly larva once lived underwater, only to emerge and soar freely through the air. Every metamorphosis is a miracle of life, whispering a timeless message: nothing lasts forever, only change ensures survival. The world of insects is also home to astonishing miniature societies. Ants, bees, and termites exemplify the heights of cooperation. They live in colonies governed by order and discipline, more intricate than many human communities. Inside a beehive, each individual has a purpose. Worker bees gather nectar, soldiers defend, and the queen preserves the bloodline. Their hives are architectural wonders: balanced hexagonal cells, natural ventilation, and perfectly regulated temperature. Termite mounds rise like fortresses, concealing elaborate tunnels, storerooms, and nurseries within. Everything functions in harmony. No chaos, no greed, only collective devotion. Yet within this dazzling tapestry, there are darker shades. Some insects are humanity's enduring nightmares: mosquitoes that spread disease, flies that carry bacteria, fleas that once unleashed plagues claiming millions of lives. They evoke fear and disgust. And yet, paradoxically, without insects, Earth would collapse. They are the pollinators of flowers, the recyclers of the dead, the renewers of soil, and crucial links in the food chain. If all insects vanished tomorrow, within weeks, flowers would cease to bloom, forests would wither, soil would harden, and larger creatures, humans included, would soon follow them into extinction. Insects have walked this planet for over 400 million years, long before the dinosaurs. They have endured 5 mass extinctions, ice ages, meteor impacts, and extreme climate shifts. While countless species perished, insects thrived, adapted, and multiplied. They stand as living proof that true strength lies not in size, but in adaptability. Look closer, and you'll discover breathtaking beauty hidden in the smallest details. The dragonfly's transparent wings, shimmering like glass, reflecting sunlight like 1,000 tiny diamonds. The symmetrical patterns on butterfly wings that rival the work of any artist. The iridescent hues of compound eyes that seem to hold entire worlds within them. The insect realm, seemingly ordinary, is in truth a gallery of nature's masterpieces. And still, we continue to learn from them. The flight mechanics of dragonflies inspire micro-robot engineers. The structure of compound eyes has shaped wide-angle camera design. The pheromone communication of ants has sparked breakthroughs in collective artificial intelligence. From these minute beings, humanity draws boundless inspiration to innovate and evolve. Yet, the insect world is not solely one of beauty. It is also a world where wonder and dread coexist. A spider spins silk fine as smoke, weaving webs of perfection no engineer could replicate. A scorpion moves silently beneath the sands, its venom deadly, yet its existence vital to the ecological balance. This duality, life and death, elegance and terror, defines the purest essence of nature itself. Insects, those tiny creatures we so often overlook, carry the rhythm of the planet upon their fragile wings. They are the silent gardeners of the wild, the tireless architects of the earth, the indestructible warriors of evolution. So the next time you see a small bug crawling on a leaf, pause for a moment, for before your eyes stands not just a simple creature, but a living wonder, proof that life will always find a way to endure, to adapt, and to rise again, no matter how small its form. The world of insects, a miniature planet within our own, continues to hum and flutter every second of every day, an endless symphony of life, where every tiny wing beats the eternal rhythm of nature, gentle, steadfast, and everlasting.